Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to open a LinkedIn account. It's very important to have a LinkedIn account if you're looking for a job or if you're an employer looking to employ people. So let's get right to it. First of all, you go on Google and type in LinkedIn sign up or sign up on LinkedIn. It will take you to the next page and you click on sign up. Thereafter, you are going to fill in your email address on the provided spaces, the email address that you're going to be using on LinkedIn. There you go. And thereafter, you're going to put in your password. Let's put in the password. And then you're going to click continue. It will take you to this page where you are going to write your name. And thereafter, you're going to write your surname. And you're going to click agree and join. Remember, LinkedIn is free. You're going to select where you live, where your location is. You're already going to get an email with the code. Then you're going to put your recent job title. If you were a paralegal, you just type in the paralegal. If you were a student, you just type in the student. So today we are going to just type in paralegal. And then you type in your most recent job and you type in the company. So we're just going to say Lawyers Association or anything similar to that. And you're going to scroll down and look if there is anything familiar to the title that we put there. Let's see if we can get Lawyers Association. Let's see, we're gonna scroll and look. So usually some of the companies that you would have previously worked for are usually there. So we go with that one and we press next. And then we are going to go and put in the code that we received on our Gmail. So we are going to go to our Gmail. And then we're going to get the code. There we go. Got a code. It's 509596. We're going to take that code and copy it, and we're going to go back and fill it in. It's supposed to be 509593. Gonna go back and check the code again so that we get it right. 509596. Further. Go back. 509596. Automatically it's going to detect the code. Then you state yes. It's asking if you're looking for a job right now. It's going to wait for it to load. I'm just going to wait for it to load. And then it's going to take a little bit of some time because it's processing your information. So remember, LinkedIn is for free. You don't pay any fees. It's absolutely free. And there's every reason to join it so that you can get access to employers worldwide. It's still loading. I'm just going to wait for a minute for it to load and take us to the next page. Now, here it's very important here to select jobs that you're looking for. So you're going to just type in legal assistant. It's going to throw out all the titles. We're going to select legal assistant. It allows us to select up until 5 job titles. So the next job title we can select legal assistant paralegal, and we're going to select real estate paralegal. And then we're going to select another one. Let's think what we can select now. You have to select the jobs that you want to be getting notifications on. So it's very important that on your selection, it's something related to what you actually want. So we're just going to select legal advisor so that we can get job notifications from LinkedIn relating to what we want. So now we've got 5 of them. It's It's not going to allow us to add more, but let's see. It's just going to click on paralegal. If you add more than 5, it's going to remove one of them. Or it's going to tell you that it's more than 5 now. And then now we're going to go to job locations. So you're going to add the locations where you want to get the jobs from. So in this case, I prefer that you just write the whole continent. If you want jobs, first of all, if you want jobs in Africa, you can just first write Africa. And if you want jobs in Europe, you can add Europe. I prefer to first add the job, the continent, so that any job that comes from any country from that continent, LinkedIn will send me the notification. And then thereafter, you can then select specific countries that you want to be getting your job notifications from. So now we're going to add South Africa, and we are going to see if we can add United States, because we hadn't added it. Let's see if we can add the last one. There you go. I'm just going to say United Kingdom this time. So after selecting continents, you can then go and select specific countries where you would like to get a job from, so that LinkedIn can send you the job notifications from those respective countries. So I think we have selected a maximum of 5 job titles. So now we're going to scroll down, and then this is very important where it says I'm open to remote work. You click there. It's important that you click there, otherwise if you don't, you're not going to get remote jobs. Then you click next, see the jobs that you selected, and you are going to, this is what it says, let recruiters know that you're open to new jobs. Then you click yes. Then now it wants us to continue to the app, to the LinkedIn app. So let's see if we can go to the app. We have to go to the LinkedIn app right now. There we go. These are the jobs that have already been selected for us. So it's jewelry consultant, but then you're going to click show more. Then it's going to scroll down and check if the jobs are related to what we want. Then we're going to type in the kind of jobs that we want, which is paralegal and legal assistant. And I'm going to scroll down and check the requirements for the job. And we think this one is a good fit. It's in South Africa. Remember, we had selected South Africa. We click save so that we can apply later. And it shows 0 applicants, so no one has applied for the job as yet. So we are going to save it for now so that we can apply for the job later when we prepared our cover letter and our CV. It's advisable that you keep your CVs ready. You see, there's the other jobs relating to paralegal. So it's that easy. So now you want to put in your LinkedIn profile picture. We have to go to the app now. So on the app, we're going to click add upload from photos. We want to update our LinkedIn profile picture, and we select the picture that we want. We prefer this one. Then we add it. There we go. There's our picture there. It's still saving. It's going to take a little bit of some time to save. I'm just going to wait a bit that it saves. And it's also good to have a profile picture so that the people know who they are talking to, especially if you are looking for employment. So now there is our picture. There is our profile. Remember to add anything that you want. We see the bit that shows pencils. It's for you to add. Then if you want to change your frame, you can remove the open to work frame, or you can add it just like that. And that's it. If you want to check on more jobs, you just go where it says jobs, just click there. It's going to show you all the jobs. You see there are jobs from Spain, there's jobs worldwide, jobs South Africa. It's just a multitude of jobs. So it's very important that you select the countries where you want your jobs to come from. And it's also equally important that you select where it says, are you open to remote work? Because that is going to let LinkedIn know that you are open to remote jobs. So you see, when you click there, it shows you how many people have applied, and you just scroll on the requirements, and you can click Easy Apply. Easy Apply works better when you have already uploaded your CV on LinkedIn. You just click Easy Apply, and just by one click, your application goes through. That's just about it. Thank you for watching. Please do leave a comment on the comment section if you've got any questions. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thank you. Bye.